Stitchery, the couching stitch. I'm going to be couching two sides to this rectangle, and to do that I'm going to come up on one end and go all the way across that line and go down underground, almost like a giant staple. Make sure it's flat, then flip it over to the back to make a knot to secure it. I've chosen a different color of yarn to make my second stitch for the couching stitch. And my pattern that I chose here is 6 holes. You can change the number of holes for whatever stitch you're doing, but I counted 6. I'm coming up and then I'm going back down the exact same hole that purple yarn came up. And then I'm pulling firmly down, not too hard, or the stitch gets sucked underground. Then I'm counting 6 holes again, coming all the way up and going back down the exact same hole the purple yarn came out of, pulling firmly but not too hard. And I'm going to keep repeating this stitch until I run out of yarn or until I get to the end of where I wanted to do the couching stitch.